Solar electricity travels from the panels on your roof through an inverter to the circuit breaker panel of your building. An inverter changes DC electricity into usable AC or alternating current electricity before sending it to the breaker panel of your building. Your home uses that electricity to power the electronic devices we use every day. It's like having your own power plant on your roof with an endless supply of clean energy. Anytime the panels are producing more energy than you are using, like sunny days,
The benefit of this product is, first, this product supplied at the strategic locations where the student can easily access during waiting at the bus stop. Secondly, using a solar system where using natural resources such as sunlight to supply the energy. Third, these products are safety to use where they have a specific word to use. Of this product is this product exists to give an opportunity to a student where they're charging their smartphone. Secondly, people outside the campus can easily access this product where is provided at the recreational park.
Thanks.